A place where you come and forget all the chaos and you just
peace.
you get peace.
As soon as you come in, you should be calm.
बोलते ना, as you enter your Delhi, it should
feel
comfort. Yeah.
You enter the house, there is
Bappa.
something which
Yes.
Bappa welcomes you.
Yes.
When you're going, Mother Mary, you can see. So it's like
it's all the energies from.
I'm going to spend most of my time here in this house. मतलब ये this is my favorite place.
Hi guys, this is me Nayandeep and I am back finally doing what I love doing, which is shooting content for you guys on my YouTube channel Nayan Sense. मेरे show Nestera presents At Home with Nayandeep Rakshit के साथ है और आज we are at home with two human beings who are possibly the kindest souls on earth. हम लोग ये शूट पहले करने वाले थे, बट हमारा टाइमिंग मैच नहीं हो पा रहा था और फाइनली हमारा टाइमिंग मैच हो गया है एंड वी आर हियर एट सब्र. दिस इज अ ह्यूज बंगलो दैट यू कैन सी. मेरे नेबरहुड में ही है. आज हमको ज़्यादा जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. रेमो सर और लिजेल मैम के घर हम जा रहे हैं एंड व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स जस्ट रिंग द बेल. हेलो सर, क्या हाल है? हेलो हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good. The one who has made this happen.
Yes.
Thank you so much. First of all, मेरी मम्मी ने आज मुझे बोला है, my mother was sending mutton kosha for you all.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Oh.
and my mother has told me, let me just say it out aloud before we begin. My mother's most favorite movie of the year is your film.
Oh.
Also, she's heavily biased towards Abhishek. So she's told me that you have to make more films with Abhishek.
Yes. Yeah, Abhishek, I'm coming back again.
Done. Thank you for inviting us home.
Love it.
तो ये घर आपने कब लिया?
2023.
23.
23. Who designed the whole space? वाह वाह.
We had a
और कौन हो सकता है?
things with some friends, so yeah.
No, there was one more guy who was
Yeah.
with us from Nagpur.
Nagpur.
From Nagpur.
ये घर का नाम आपने सब्र रखा है, right?
Sabra.
Why did? What is the?
It was his church.
हाँ.
Sabr for me, सब्र मुझे रखना था always. मेरा एक और एक भी घर है जिसका नाम मैं सोच रहा था कि वो उसका नाम सब्र रखूंगा.
शुक्र. अच्छा.
लेकिन फिर मैंने ये ले लिया, वो भी है तो मैं शायद उसका नाम शुक्र रखूंगा.
Now we'll take a tour of his
Yes.
home. मैंने तो देख लिया है, अब आप सबको दिखाना है क्योंकि it's one of the prettiest houses. I was telling my team that it's one of the prettiest houses that I've ever been to.
Thank you.
And at the end of it, we have a really heavy gift for you.
Oh,
ये जो एरिया है,
हाँ.
what is the idea behind this area?
So,
आइडिया बिहाइंड या पूरा डिजाइन इसने किया. मेरे ख्याल से इस सब चीजों में ये ज्यादा बात करते तो बेटर है.
were designing it, Remo always wanted some open space. You know that you come in the evening, you chill. I have a lot of pets today because we are shooting. They're not here, so he comes, he sits with them, he chills, and so it's that kind of a zone.
Lounge.
With friends, yeah. And in winter it's beautiful because you have the flowers falling and
Yeah, of course.
this thing.
Beautiful.
So it's a very beautiful feeling.
बट यहाँ पे आप लोग कितना टाइम बैठते हो? हम इधर आते हैं, पहले दिखाते हैं कि यहाँ पे आप लोग कितने टाइम बैठते हो यूजुअली.
यहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स
What
काफी
do you
बेस्ट
usually
है.
do when you're sitting here?
मॉर्निंग्स
Mornings are Remo's here because he gets up. He's
Yeah.
handling the pups in the morning.
Gets up at what time?
आई गेट अप एट 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
या
Max.
मैक्स 8 o'clock. उससे भी जल्दी उठ जाता हूँ बट बिकॉज ऑफ आज अभी शूटिंग वगैरह कुछ नहीं है तो मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. अभी वैसे भी मेरा आगे कुछ चलने वाला है जिसके लिए मुझे 5 बजे उठना पड़ेगा.
पता है.
5 बजे उठना पड़ेगा बट या मॉर्निंग्स आर हियर विद माय पेट्स. मैं उनको नीचे लेके आता हूँ, उनको घुमाता हूँ और वो लोग खेलते हैं मेरे साथ. उसके बाद ये मॉर्निंग्स और इवनिंग्स मेरे यहाँ होते हैं, जब भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स आ जाते हैं तो इवनिंग्स आर वेरी गुड बिकॉज रेन में यहाँ पे बैठने में बड़ा
Yeah.
मजा आता है.
एक्चुअली इट वाज मतलब मैंने जब अभी बारिश हो भी रही थी हम लोग ऊपर थे एंड वी वर सीइंग इट लुक्स वेरी
Very
प्रिटी
pretty.
Yeah.
वेरी वेरी
Yeah.
प्रिटी यू नो यू आर वेलकम्ड बाय मदर मैरी
Yes.
दैट वाज ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्लान
Yes,
व्हेन यू वर
yes,
डूइंग दिस
Yes.
Yes.
It was supposed to be in the corner, but then I felt it was more. I
It
mean,
was there because if you enter the house, there is
Bappa.
something which
Yes.
Bappa welcomes you.
Yes.
When you're going, Mother Mary, you can see. So, it's like,
it's all the energies from.
yeah.
So we will get in, and I want to speak to you about spirituality because I have seen the house and I know how important
Yes.
that is. Like that aspect is a very important part of your.
Yes.
आपके घर में हर जगह पे there is something to pray and somebody to pray to. So we'll go inside
Yes.
and then we'll show people कि कैसा है.
Yes.
So now we are entering your home.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the most beautiful entry, like you discussed. There's Mother Mary here when
Yes.
you look, and there's Ganpati Bappa
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So when you enter, also,
I want to ask you this, okay? हम लोग अंदर जाके भी ये बात कर सकते हैं, मैं यहीं पे बात करते तो. How important is spirituality for you? Because a lot of questions about religion is made today, but at the same time हमको तो यही सिखाया गया है कि respect every religion. And
Yes.
ये घर पे जब कोई भी आएगा, उनको दिखेगा कि हर जगह पे there is a god that you guys pray to and there are multiple gods that you pray to and because you respect every religion.
Yes.
How important is it? मतलब कितना important होता है?
for me, it's very, very important. Even for him,
Yeah.
and because we both are. I mean, I'm a born Catholic,
Yeah.
and he is a born Hindu, but he got converted to Catholic. You know, because
Yeah.
he became he got baptized. I am a born Catholic, a very staunch Catholic, but I think now last 4-5 years I have started. I used to always keep Ganpati. Last 25 years now. Last 4-5 years I've just suddenly, maybe because of passing away of my parents and stuff like that. Otherwise, I've suddenly gone drawn towards, Hinduism, and I still do these certain pujas and stuff like that. But I think over the time it's just that, and I like doing it. So you can say I'm a born Catholic, but
You respect it.
I respect.
Which is amazing, amazing.
Yeah, same thing for me because I was born Hindu and converted to Christianity. But I believe in all the gods, so you can see it in my house, you can see it in my hands.
Yes.
There's Jesus, there's Shivji, there's Ganpati, everything. So
Yeah, which is the best.
And
I'm telling you the
I
vibe
think
of
it's just,
this house
it's
is
just you should do something where you get peace.
yeah.
Whatever name you take, end of it, you should have that peace.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. So let's go. This ये जो आपका इतना huge entrance है, and then the first thing that you've kept is again Ganpati ji.
Yes.
You know how often do you guys pray, like in a day?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
morning.
Every
Yeah,
morning.
every
My morning routine is I get up, I take all my dogs down, थोड़ा उनके साथ खेलना, उसके बाद जाना, नहा धो के, come and pray to all three places. And yeah, that's my morning routine. So
So we'll start this with a prayer.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll all go and do a quick prayer.
yes.
But tell me about this. ये जो पूरा एक स्टैचू आपने कहाँ से लिया है?
We had the space,
हाँ.
and this has a nice space to keep a big thing.
And
It was supposed to be the lift.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Supposed to be the lift ka space, but then we
then he said that we have all the 5 bungalows and they're mostly all senior citizens. And he said, Lizelle, there's no lift in anyone's house. So if you keep a lift, the only thing you're going to do is go out in the lift. Bas.
We'll go to the ground floor first. I have seen it's the prettiest. I was just telling you it's the prettiest house that I've ever been to.
Thank you.
love
Everything is done up by you.
everything. Yes.
Everything.
Yeah.
Like the colors से
Yes,
लेके.
the color scheme and everything.
Wow. This is a, by the way, guys, if you see this, this is a great lounging space. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि जब आप डिजाइन कर रहे थे, what was the idea about the whole color palette that you have? Because the color palette on the furnitures are very monochrome, but on the furniture, whatever you
Yes.
kept, the items are very colorful. So what was the whole idea?
He was very, very clear that I want one color in the whole house. You know, I want a plain white. His whole thing was even the doors to be white, but I wanted a break. Then we gave it a grey kind of a thing. And now with kids, because my kids are grown up, so you know, it's not that, you know, you have colorful and stuff. They were also very clear, Mama, we don't want any it should all be plain, straight line.
Monochrome.
Yeah. And then yes, after, so the sofas have gone to 2-3 trials of changing of covers. So this is, in 1 year I've changed, this is the 3rd cover that I've changed. It comes, then we say no.
पहले कौन सा color?
First was a dark color, it was a darker color. But then I was somehow not liking the whole, कि नहीं. Then we said, चल 3 महीने जाने दो. Then 3 months went. Then we said, अच्छा ठीक है, अभी now let's. Even the flooring I've just changed, otherwise it was full marble.
Please बताइए ये जो where did you pick this from? And there are a lot of colors in the form of paintings. We'll come to that. But where did you pick this?
I picked it up from a light store where I went and I liked it.
The antique store.
Antique store.
Yeah.
And he did design my chandelier also. So from there I picked it up.
And there's dance, of course.
Yes.
How can there be a
Yeah,
house
without-
where Remo sir stays and there is no dance or movement? अब मुझे आप एक चीज बताइए, यहाँ पे I am seeing pops of color. This is amazing. And there are many paintings.
Yes.
So where did you get this painting from?
This I got it from the store called Harmony.
अच्छा.
And I love Shiva paintings. So this is a Shiva.
This is Shiva riding Nandi.
Yes. And that is only a Nandi.
Yeah.
That is also because you guys are primarily like Shiv Bhakts, right?
Shiv-
Like
Yes. He's a very big Shiva. Even I am.
Har Har Mahadev.
हर हर महादेव.
Yes. Even
सच
I
में.
am.
जो भी मांगो
Yes,
हर मुराद
yes.
पूरी हो जाती है. That's for sure. But we'll move towards that side also. This is a huge lounge space, I must say. मैंने अभिषेक वाला एपिसोड आप लोग के
देखा.
साथ फराह मैम के एपिसोड में मैंने देखा है. फराह मैम तो एकदम ये बाहर कौन है, माली है, no, all of that. It's a really cool thing that
She's done.
she's fab.
She's fab.
Where did you get this from?
So
Oh,
this
this
has
is-
been with us since 2005. No,
So almost 20 years now.
Yeah, almost 20. It was made for a church.
Okay.
So as you can
it's-
see,
Yeah.
You have
carvings.
the cross
The carvings
and
are there.
the thing. So it was made for the Sacred Heart Church at Santa Cruz. The church interior is taking time. So they're delayed by 3 months. So you can take this. And then it's been now with us last 20.
20 years now.
20 years.
Years, yeah.
Wow.
And if you see it, you can see a lot of things. It's
It's the entire last, the crucifixion.
the crucifixion of Jesus.
Jesus.
Then, but it's the face
Mary
also.
Magdalene, there is Trinity, there is angels, there is John and Mary.
There's a whole story.
The whole
Yeah.
story on this thing.
Oh wow.
Set
And you
and-
have kept it
Yes.
for 20 years without a
yeah.
scratch.
Yeah.
It's been with us in every house.
Every house.
Lucky.
All 14
Yeah.
houses.
That's true. That's true. So Remo sir, what is it that you like eating the most? Because we are the dining space. आप लोग usually कौन सी चीज खाना पसंद करते हो?
So in this house, I think I'm the only person who eats ghar ka khana.
अच्छा बाकी और कोई घर का खाना
And
खाते
even
हैं?
I eat.
Sometimes.
My cook, I've given him like a mirchi to make. You know, he makes it with spicy and good, green chili.
अच्छा
Yeah, so I love that also.
सिर्फ मिर्ची
Yeah, mirchi with roti.
It's मिर्ची का साल मिर्ची का
मिर्ची का वो
चटनी.
he makes
चटनी.
not chutney actually.
It's
he
like
makes
a
sabji.
sabzi, मिर्ची का सब्जी with gur and like
Spices.
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 You also like spicy? You like?
No, I like spicy. I never used to like spicy, but then
Please comment here.
Yeah. So,
the spice entered my life.
ये जो painting है,
yes.
where did you get this one from? This is Krishna. I think.
Yes.
This is Murugan.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुर्गन.
So this is from a painter on Insta. I'll share you his thing. My son had liked his work, and then I got in touch with him, and then he sent me the canvas, and I got it framed.
Wow.
But it's so, you know, it shows the journey of life, I think.
Yeah.
Has
Every
meaning.
photo and every frame here basically has a story.
Yes.
story, you guys are storytellers. So stories appeal to you.
Correct.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
We'll move on to this room.
Yes.
ये है
This
इस
is
room को
like
आप
a
क्या
lounge.
बोलते हो?
It's more like a lounge when friends come and few friends. they
Basically,
sit
you
there.
can call it my den. Basically.
Yeah.
Your den.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
we
tell
can
you
call
why.
it Remo sir's den.
Yeah.
Chal.
I'll tell you why.
So this is your.
Yes, his den.
This is a lot of color.
Yes.
Yeah.
Light.
This is the only, yeah. This is the only room which has color.
हाँ. No. I think ऊपर वाले भी room में.
है, हाँ, है.
भर के
But
color.
पहले, then gradually. It came in over a
You
year.
don't like colors or he doesn't.
He
like
doesn't like.
I don't like colors.
You don't like too many colors. ये जो है जो hypnotize करने वाला जो painting है,
It's called Circle of Life.
Circle of Life. But when I entered before this shoot जब हम आए थे, I was thinking वो होता नहीं है क्या ऐसे ऐसे.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, you go into that
zone.
what do you call
Trance
that?
mode. Yeah,
Trance
it's,
mode.
it's in that.
Yeah, yeah.
यहाँ पे हम लोग आपके साथ एक game खेलेंगे to understand your aesthetics because you both have designed the whole house. So this segment is called Nestera featuring you. So I'm going to show you different items. अगर एक सोफा सेट होगा तो दो सोफा सेट होंगे. आपको क्या करना है? आपको उन दोनों में से एक सिलेक्ट करना है जो आपको ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. And you have to tell me why you liked that more than the other. Okay, 2 options for each. So basically the first thing is the house vibe. Okay, do you like minimal monotones or do you like colorful chaos?
I like minimal.
Which one?
Minimal.
You like minimal.
Exactly. I mean,
Minimal. You to have said minimal.
said
Yeah.
minimal for sure.
Okay, the next one. Your ideal color palette. Earthy, daydream or jewel toned fantasy.
I like jewel toned. In the sense,
Earthy daydream.
depends. Yeah, depends.
Okay. What would you make a statement with? Like statement piece in a room. Eye-catchy curtains or a glammy sofa or couch. Whichever.
A nice couch.
Nice couch.
I like curtains to be,
Plain.
yeah, plain or some.
I think couch would.
Couch.
Even I'll go with couch.
But a printed, like a glam couch. Like a printed couch is fine with you.
Like,
I think a printed couch will also be good because your color tone is.
I've never thought of a printed couch, but
The printed curtain का I never liked it because बहुत टाइम पहले मैंने एक स्टोरी सुनी थी राजकुमार साहब की that time when they were partying and everything, there was a big superstar who went with a nice printed shirt in front of Rajkumar, and Rajkumar जी ने उनको देखा और बोला कि जानी बहुत अच्छा शर्ट पहना आपने, इस शर्ट की कर्टन है मेरे घर में. something like that. तो ऐसा उनका एक मैंने कहानी सुना था. तो
Who is
I
the
don't know.
superstar?
I have no idea. मैं अभी नाम भी नहीं ले सकता हूँ, मेरे को मालूम है लेकिन मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता.
Okay, done. Okay, your go-to sofa pick. Do you like a velvet sofa glam or do you like a linen couch?
I like a velvet. I like.
Linen.
Linen.
Yeah.
But यहाँ पे तो सारे velvet है.
Yeah.
नहीं, ये तो
नहीं,
velvet.
नहीं.
Well, it's like
Walgil-
like a towel kind of a material.
This is not velvet.
This is like a towel kind.
She likes velvet, but I don't like velvet.
You don't
I
like
like
velvet.
I like
Linen.
the feel when I'm
It's
sitting.
soft and all. Even I agree with her. I like a velvet sofa cover. Do you lean towards floral stuff or geometrical grids?
I would go with floral.
Yeah,
Floral?
Plants I like.
yeah, plants, but yeah.
Like not too much. Not those sofas, but
हाँ. नहीं बट सोफे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं फ्लोरल
सोफे की बात कर रहे हैं.
बेसिकली फ्लोरल प्रिंट्स और ज्योमेट्रिक
Geometric.
then geometrical.
हाँ वही मैं सोचूं कि ठीक है ये सोच
नहीं,
रहे कि उधर ओके व्हाट्स योर होम डेकोर मंत्रा मोर इज मोर और लेस
Less but lux.
Less is more for me.
ऑफ कोर्स ये तो अब तक पता ही चल गया हमको कंफर्ट लिव्स इन फॉर यू इन फैब्रिक टेक्सचर्स और रूम मूड्स व्हिच वन
Room moods.
Room moods, yes. I think the bedrooms, both actually. क्योंकि टेक्सचर भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जब आप क्योंकि बेडरूम में जब जाते हो तो आप सोने जाते हो वहाँ पे मूड तो होता ही लेकिन जब आप बिस्तर में जाते हो तो यू नीड दोज आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए
Yeah. You
What-
ना कि यू जस्ट थ्रो योर थिंग के यार अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
So now I'm going to show you 2 accent chairs. You have to tell me which one you like. Do you like a decorative piece or do you like a
cozy
cozy
reading.
कोजी रीडिंग या वही तो है मेरे
हाँ,
हाँ
ये कहाँ पे है?
ऊपर है।
ऊपर वाले रूम में. Where would you host your celebrations in out of these two?
सेलिब्रेशन
Yeah,
Hand woven heritage.
not a room of sparkle.
No,
No.
no. Both.
And why would you pick that?
I like because that's more warm. It gives you a very warm atmosphere. People come, chill. It's like a warm kind of a thing. His always briefs have been to me that, you know, Lizelle, when I enter a home, it should be a home. It shouldn't be a film set. मुझे set नहीं चाहिए. तो-
बिकॉज यू सी इट्स वेरी सिंपल फॉर मी स्पेशली कि आप जाते हो सुबह जाते हो शूटिंग करने सेट पे रहते हो पूरे दिन घर पे भी आके वही अगर दिखेगा सेट तो फिर
मतलब
दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट
क्या
लाइक
है?
दोज आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ हाउसेस हु आर लाइक यू नो बिग पीसेस एंड बड़े बड़े चीज़ें लगा के लुक्स लाइक सेट बट हाउस शुड बी हाउस.
Yeah, home is home.
Home.
How would you define home if you had to? Like, if there's one line where you would use to define home, what would it be?
I think a place where, you know, you come and forget all the chaos. And you
You get
just
peace.
you get peace.
As soon as you come in you should be
You know,
calm.
बोलते हैं ना, as you enter your Delhi, it should
feel
comfort.
Comfort.
Yeah. So that's
that's
Last one, what's your cushion vibe?
squish me. I'm comfy.
दोनों का same है.
yes.
तो टेक्निकली यू गाइस आर मैच्ड इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द थिंग्स, सो इतना तो दिक्कत फिर नहीं हुआ होगा while
Over the time, yeah.
Over the time हो गया है.
So usually how often do you guys spend time here?
We spend a lot of time here because
Yeah.
when friends come, we chill and stuff like that. So a lot
Watch
of time.
movies. Do you like
No,
game
movies.
night?
I think
Matches.
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 Whenever the match is
Yeah.
happening like today
There's that
World
women
Cup,
cover.
हाँ.
so my friends are already
हाँ.
is there.
आया कौन है?
हाँ, 100% there. So like that we'll sit and we'll watch the match.
Oh, lovely,
Yeah.
lovely. But we'll go to that space also and
Yes.
then we'll finish the ground floor. Let's go actually there. So आप यहाँ पे रोज
Yeah, he does it.
you do it every morning. So what is it that you do every morning? Like
Every morning I come, I wash the entire मंदिर, पानी चढ़ाना, दूध चढ़ाना, and then फूल लगाना, like proper.
Proper Abhishek.
but आपको तो आप अभी तो शिवरात्रि पे
Ah, yeah. Now this time no issue. I'm happy.
अभी
You said that there was a snake. It was here.
Yes,
yeah it was here.
it was this area.
Just ये जो पानी
And then
चल
it
रहा है
disappeared.
and nobody knows where.
Call the thing and all, then it went.
मुझे नहीं पता बंगाल में बोलते हैं कि मतलब वो स्नेक को एक नाम होता है हमारे वहाँ पे, हमारा वो नाम ही होता है वास्तुशाह. तो बेसिकली वो लोग बोलते हैं कि दे डोंट हार्म यू, these snakes never harm you. So the belief is that every house has that vastushah and whichever house has it, it only brings you good luck and fortune. Like there is no way that will ever harm you. तो जब कोई दिख भी जाता है ना ऐसा मतलब एक सांप घर पे, तो usually जो होता है ना कि वो मारना and all,
No.
nobody does it. So I think मतलब
Yeah.
हमारे बंगाल के उसमें ये बोलते हैं वास्तु, and it's related to the vastu of the house. That is why it's called vastushah. But I think that is
Yeah.
Yeah.
why
Even we feel the same.
yeah. But it's really lovely to, spirituality has been a very important part of your life and house. कब लगा कि you know, have you always been like this, or was there a certain age or certain episode in life which made you deeply spiritual?
I think we were always like that, but after my the medical thing which happened with me, for me I think उधर से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा
For me, I was always
Yes, sir.
very
always,
strong
but
believer. Even Bappa, last 25 years, I was the one who said, yeah, you know, I'll get Bappa. And I've been keeping it, it's 25 years now. And I was always spiritually, but I don't know, I think now it's more, I don't know, it's more, yeah.
It's just a part of your life. Like,
Yeah, and I think till my parents were alive, I always had that as a Catholic, you know, it is, you follow your 10 commandments. So I always had that, not, you can't say pressure, but you always had that respect to a place where you were born and to people who you were born to, not to hurt them.
Yes.
So I always kept that. But I think after my mum and dad passing away and stuff like that, I had that liberty to open up. I don't have that thing, and no one calling me and telling me that, what you're doing is, parents are
Yeah.
out of love, but yeah, so.
But have you ever faced that from your side of parents when you decided?
No, I think my parents were very. I don't know how. I still think how they were so cool. One day I just went.
There was once when they were very not cool, that after my first son was born, they suddenly, because see, till he was doing fine, he was fine till he was Remo. And suddenly when, the name started coming on the television and stuff like that, and I think when my son was born, because he was the first boy of the family, and when,
For the name, this thing.
so it was just that, yeah,
So- We named him Adonis in this thing, but Adonis अभी यार मेरे पेरेंट्स
Jamnagar,
जामनगर से हैं और कैसे बोलेंगे वो तो ओनली फॉर दैट दे सेड कि आई शुड हैव हिंदू नेम आल्सो सो वी नेम्ड हिम ध्रुव so he is called Adonis and Dhruv, so he has two names.
Oh wow.
and then it was his decision. So once he grew up, he decided to go with Adonis. So
So now he's taken his own thing.
When you decided to accept Christianity, that time there was no opposition from the family.
No. I just went and told my dad and mom that कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं चर्च के लिए इतना कुछ करता हूँ because I used to do a lot of
Yeah.
things there. So it's a long story, but I used to do a lot of work for church. So ऐसे इतना करता हूँ तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं भी क्रिश्चियनी में चले जाता हूँ. तो my dad said कि ठीक है कर ले.
Wow.
बस मेरा नाम मत चेंज करना. So that's why I'm Remo Gopi D'Souza.
Yeah.
Not Remo D'Souza, but Remo Gopi D'Souza.
You said something wonderful that एक spiritual awakening आप में तब आई जब you went through a health crisis. What actually happened? Like how did the family deal with that day, that fateful day?
actually, you won't believe it. We were supposed to go for a wedding, and we had got completely. We went to the gym. I was not supposed to work out that day, and my trainer said, "You're doing all bahana." I said, "No, yeah, I'm not." Saying, he said, "No, you have to work out." So instead of him working out that day, I worked out, and I finished my workout. I went on a call. When I came back, he was lying down. I said, "क्या हुआ?" He said, "नहीं, I'm feeling something here." कुछ अटक गया है सर. He told the trainer, "I'm not training today. चल घर ही तो." When he went up, he sat in the lift. सर मतलब ये लिफ्ट में क्यों बैठा है? ये ऐसा तो है नहीं कि Remo is not that kind of a person. When we went home, he started coughing like as if something is stuck to you. I told him, "You will have something. तुझे मतलब maybe you've had something breakfast or कुछ नहीं जमा होगा." He said, नहीं. Then I don't know what struck me. I had an Apple Watch. I made him wear the watch. Twice it showed indecisive, inconclusive. Then I told him, "Remo, you want to go to the hospital?" And first time he told me, "Yes, jaate." And we went. And by the time we reached the hospital, Remo was supposed to shoot for Big Boss that day. And I never expected कि कुछ भी, I thought कि हाँ random ये लोग ना blood check करके भेज देंगे. And I was on a call. And doctor said, "Ma'am, it's a heart attack." And I'm just looking at the doctor and I was like, "What?" And I think by the time the news spread, I called up Salman Bhai because he was supposed to go on Big Boss, and Bhai called me back, and by the time I think he had already spoken to everyone in the hospital. And for me, you won't believe, Nayan, I'm a very strong girl. But for me, at that time, you feel like suddenly you become so small and everyone that is talking around you is just noise.
Yeah.
Because your one wrong decision can go. And I remember there was a young doctor there, young guy. And I told him, Varun spoke to him. Varun got to him. Varun called and Varun said, "Lizelle, it must be COVID." Because COVID was at the peak at that time.
Yeah.
So I said, "One second, talk to a doctor." And he spoke to a doctor. He said, "Doctor, it can be COVID." Doctor said, "No, it's not COVID." Because his ECG is not finished. We are taking him for the thing. So everyone was on the line. Bhai was constantly on thing. I just remember he's looking at me and he's like laughing. And I told him, "What are you laughing?" They're saying you are heart attack. And he's like, he's just looking at me laughing. I think he couldn't digest
Process
that.
it. Yeah.
And when he went into the operation theatre, my only thing is, I told him, I said, "You will not let me down." He said, "No, I will not let you down." So that was one thing. But you won't believe it. At that time, see, I know that Remo has done a lot for people. he's always been very selfless.
That's-
That I used to always fight with him कि तू ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है, वैसे क्यों कर रहा है. मतलब इसको कोई बोले ना फ्री में भी करे आज भी, he'll do it. He's never thought about anything for anyone. They told me, they said, Lizelle, we must have got at least 1,000 calls asking about his health. And everyone had called up. I was very happy that he gained that much love and respect.
No, there's a lot of goodwill and love for him.
Yeah.
That's what matters, and that's why I think God also
Yeah.
blesses those
Yeah.
people who have always been there for people who need them. So that's about it. And now we will move on to our first floor, जो आपके बेटों का
section है.
एक रूम हम नहीं दिखाएंगे गाइस,
हाँ.
क्योंकि एक बेटा अभी है इधर,
हाँ.
सो एक ही रूम हम दिखाएंगे, बट लेट्स गो ऊपर. So this is a Hanuman.
Yes,
हाँ.
this is the Sundarkand.
Oh.
See, you can see Hanuman ji there.
Ji.
You can see Ram. You
Yes.
can see the whole.
Every picture tells a story, man, in
Yes.
your house. तुम रक्षक का हो कदम.
The whole does not.
So this whole floor is basically for your kids.
Yes, this whole
Yes.
kids. It's.
And this is also like a lounging space.
This is
that
the
you're-
lounging space. They have something
There's
outside.
There's lounging.
There's a swing and all.
Yes.
I love swings, by the way, guys. Like,
When Ronak was telling me that oh we should do the full sliding, I said नहीं यार, बंगलो है तो फिर मुझे बंगलो जैसा चाहिए कि
Yeah.
there should be an outside space.
yeah.
When friends come, when their friends come, anyone wants to sit out. So that kind of a zone. So we kept all that in mind.
Yeah, but usually how much time
They
do you
sit.
spend here?
Not we, but they spend a lot
They
of time.
spend a lot of time.
They
with
come
their
out in the
friends.
morning, they sit. When their friends come, they chill.
They
You know.
have the
Yeah.
space to sit. They have outside, and then they have a extra.
अच्छा इधर भी है.
पीछे भी एक
Okay.
टेरेस है जहाँ पे वो लोग.
Oh,
हाँ.
I love the clock.
Yeah,
Space.
I know. the
Where did you
machinery.
get this from?
I got this from.
I think same place from where you got the record.
No. I got this from address.
And the flooring here is very different from the flooring.
So this is the same flooring which was down, which he made me change.
अच्छा oh
the-
ये आपने बदलवाया. This is the flooring that
Yeah.
is. Okay, now I understand.
It was
Because
like-
it was. I understand what you're
I
saying.
understand, yeah.
Now I understand. So this is your younger son's room.
Yeah.
This is
He's not.
He's not here. That's why we have. I'm
we
sorry.
Access.
We have
Gabriel.
access to this room. Your younger son is where is he right now?
He's in London.
ये जो रूम है मैंने एक कॉर्नर देखा है. That corner is amazing. That is the corner that I'm talking about.
He's
which I love. Even I love it. That's
All
आधे तो मेरे
the-
collection है और आधे
अच्छा आधे आपके हैं. Oh,
But he's
wow.
collected it
But
from
he's-
childhood.
yeah.
All his.
all
Like
is-
he has this collectible
Yeah.
stuff.
He loves
He
collecting.
loves.
He has some stuff which he's told no one to touch in his box also.
So he
Acha.
kept it in the box also. Yeah.
That was the Star Wars thing when we were with Disney. They had
Disney.
given us
Yeah.
अच्छा.
those
So
on-
this is Star
But it's
Wars.
not working now.
When we did the ABCD one, the
Oh.
saber, lightsaber.
Saber, yeah. Lightsaber.
But this is not working, but it used to work. It has a light.
That's the
So
light.
this is
Wow.
that collection. From
Like he is very
Yeah.
into all of this. And मैंने देखा कि आपने एक
He's gone, so I've taken that section of his and put my sauna there.
but he also will come and he'll also
He'll use it,
this
yeah.
sauna, yes.
So I'm using
so he doesn't know.
He doesn't know yet, he'll know it now.
But this has a very the color palette. Did he decide or did you guys decide?
He was very.
No, he also.
Yeah, perfect.
She was trying something else, but then
No, but when Ronak had sent me the plan, I did share it with them. Okay, this is what it. So it was done as per the.
Yeah, collective decisions.
Yeah.
But बड़े बेटे का room similar है या
No,
फिर?
it's different.
it's different.
His is more grey, that is more creams. That's very straight.
Softer.
Softer.
And then we'll move to your
My
floor.
section,
Yes.
Please.
And I love this. This Pichwai painting. Oh my god. This is कितने size का होगा ये?
This is, I think, an 8x8.
8 feet by 8 feet.
Yeah.
Oh wow, and it's so beautiful.
अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ
हाँ अभी भी है, अभी भी है. You also have a Buddha here. Like where did you get this from?
This has been with us since Windsor.
Yeah, it's almost 5 years now.
5 years, 5 to 8 years.
But light was always like the lighting was always important
Yeah.
part
Yeah,
of
yeah,
your
yes,
design.
yes.
तो इसमें भी ऐसे ही है.
That's why we've kept overall, if you see the ceiling light, but yes, we've kept certain ambience
हाँ.
which will, like all the 3 floors have the same.
Same pattern basically. The
yeah.
color palette is the same when
Yeah.
it comes to lighting. Wow. चलिए फिर we will go to your room. So now we'll go to your room,
Yes.
which is again
Yes.
ये जो सबसे बड़ी टीवी है. और by the way guys, जब मैं आया before we started shoot, I could see Remo sir basically just watching a movie. What movie were you watching?
I was watching ballet of The Small Player, the new Colin Farrell की एक Netflix पे वो आई है, बहुत अच्छी है, तो मैं वही देख रहा था.
But you know, you guys usually like watching a lot of movies.
He loves.
You don't.
I don't get a chance because he watches and he doesn't let me. See,
No, but
he watches,
whatever
the
I
remote
watch-
जिसके हाथ में उसकी चलती है.
अच्छा. But आपके हाथ में भी रिमोट हो ही
Then I
सकती है.
with my
अब
phone.
घर पे तो पूरा आपका चलता है, मैंने सुन लिया.
But yeah, ये section उनका
झूठ
चलता
बोल
है.
रही है, झूठ बोल रही है.
But where,
Sometimes I tell him कि यार लगा दे कुछ.
but where did you get this whole couch?
So
this is a
is
sofa
his
cum
idea.
bed,
Yeah,
or
no,
is it
no,
a?
It's a couch.
It's a couch.
He wanted it bigger. He was like,
I
"Oh,
wanted
like a bed."
like almost like bed because it's my
आराम
bed.
से.
आराम से
And all my
लेट
pups
जाओ.
with him and all
And
that.
all my babies are with me when I'm watching something. तो आज बेचारे because आप इतने सारे
But finally, I can see printed cushions.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at this
Yes.
printed cushion. Finally.
That too because it was Diwali.
अच्छा,
It
otherwise,
was according to the.
otherwise,
It's a theme, yeah, Diwali theme.
दिवाली.
Yeah.
But यहाँ पे भी एक पिछवाई पेंटिंग है.
यहाँ पे भी पिछवाई है, वहाँ पे भी है.
And so this side has a lot of pink.
Yes.
This side has a lot of brown.
Yes.
This is like the same room but designed very differently. Like this has printed, this has a printed wallpaper.
Yeah.
But here there is a pichwai painting.
Yes.
Did you always feel like?
Yeah. No. So when we made it, it was all one color. Okay. Then we had beige couches here also. But because of my pups and all, मतलब वो 3-4 महीने में ही, हाँ, वो थोड़ा बहुत
बेच
ज़्यादा-
तो कुछ अलग हो जाता था.
Then I said, listen, Remo, मुझे एक pop of color. मतलब when we started, the only pop of color was the.
That's right.
Yeah. Then slowly I started getting the prints and the paintings and stuff like that.
You know, usually this looks like a वो राजा महाराजा वाला जो hotels नहीं होता, जो palaces के जो bedrooms होते हैं.
It was very difficult for me because this was like this, the ceiling here upstairs, the
Yeah, it
thing,
was like a
cone.
this
So that I was,
So you made it a dome. Or
I made it like a dome. So I was like, क्या करूँ? मतलब, you know, you have very thing.
You know, was the whole idea like to give it like a royal kind of
Yes,
a
yes.
palatial
Yes.
look?
Yes. So everything, like all the furniture, the divider is also like that.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
In कहाँ से मतलब where did you pick all this
I picked
from?
it up. I made someone make it for me.
अच्छा, custom made.
Custom.
Custom.
Wow. What was your whole idea of the room when you first saw it?
This one.
हाँ,
I said,
उसको इधर से
देखो
ले.
जो बनाना है बना दे.
हाँ.
This portion, I just want this place to be my zone. क्योंकि I'm going to spend most of my time here in this house. मतलब ये this is my favorite place. And so ये मेरे हिसाब से बनाने दे. So I wanted a
And
big
here also
television.
I did the pinks because if you see even in the wallpaper, even if you
Slight.
see in all the paintings, there is a slight pink.
Pink, yeah.
So that's why I put the pink here.
Oh wow. But बेड की बात करें, मुझे तो अभी पता चला है from 10th of this month.
Yeah,
जब ये
yeah.
आएगा तब तक तो नहीं, but 10th of we are shooting on 2nd November, so 10th November से
Yes.
you will be following a fast which is a very difficult fast, Ayyappa fast.
Yes.
So you do it every year. आप हर साल
Every
करते
year, this is third year.
third year.
Yeah.
तो उसमें क्या करना होता है? What are the things that you can't?
में 41 days आपको एज अ ब्रह्मचारी रहना पड़ता है एंड स्लीपिंग ऑन फ्लोर, नो फुटवेयर, यू हैव टू वेयर ब्लैक क्लोथ, खुद के
meal a
कपड़े, 1 meal a day, फास्टिंग बेसिकली. and
मतलब
control.
he gets
मतलब
up
it's
by
like
sunrise.
brahmachari.
Before sunrise.
Before sunrise,
You have to get up.
Yeah.
You have to have a bath, do all the pujas and everything. Then on 41st day, you have to go to Sabrimala to visit that temple, and then you break your fast there.
And there is another side to this whole, which is the chamber of secrets, is what I've called. Because I think uske andar jate hi you take turns, and then there are rooms here, rooms there, rooms everywhere, where we will show you in the video, guys, but we will not go there right now. But when you are designing this, the whole लोगों का walk-in closet होता है, आपका walk-in 3-4 rooms है,
Chamber.
like it's like a chamber.
So you know when Ronak, who was the architect, who was thing, when he came and he was designing this floor, and he told me, he sent me the plan, and I said walk-in का है, तो he sent me a picture कि ये walk-in है, ये इतना section आपका रहेगा, इतना हम sir को देंगे, and that side also he had made like a sitting, like a balcony sitting kind of way. तो I said भाई मुझे walk-in चाहिए, तू बाकी छोड़ दे, मतलब ये भी balcony है ठीक है,
उस तरफ नहीं चाहिए.
वॉक-इन चाहिए मुझे, आई नीड स्पेस. देन ही लिटिल और एक्सटेंड किया, उतना हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं नहीं, ये मेरा सेक्शन है, अब तू सर का सेक्शन निकाल.
Then I got a look.
नो नॉट दैट, हेलो.
No, you don't have a little one. Please, everybody will see in the video. You have a
room.
You have a whole room. I feel like that side is possibly as big as this
Yeah.
room.
Yeah, that's it.
If I'm not mistaken, like if you take the whole area where you're going, I thought it's ending. Then she's opened one door.
That's outside where my gym wear is. My gym ke clothes, shoes and my gym wear.
But it's
Then there is
amazing.
separate room and the other things.
So every man has this
No,
issue
but-
where they think like कि इतना ही हमको जगह मिलता है.
नहीं पर this house I have been very kind to him. I've given him a whole room. He can't complain.
But देखिए, usually we end it with a game.
Okay.
Okay, and we give a hamper.
Oh, wow.
But for that you have to run.
Ah.
You have to basically like you have to be agile and very smart. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं सिर्फ आपको एक लेटर दूंगा, आपको घर का कोई भी एक सामान लेके आना है जो वो लेटर से चालू होता है.
Okay.
ठीक है, so it can be anything, but you have to get it and give it to me. Whoever gives it first basically
भाई
wins
तू ही
that.
कर ले, मेरा हाथ गया है, मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ.
Then you can pause it and you will get a really, like did I tell you that you will get a really heavy.
वैसे भी घर में ही आने वाला है.
हाँ वो तो है, वो तो है कि घर में ही आने वाला है. तो हम लोग 3 करेंगे.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Only 3. The first letter, okay, is P.
P.
पीकॉक, ये थोड़ी रियल पीकॉक लेके आए.
पीकॉक
तो फिर?
पीस है.
तो P मतलब?
पीस चीज जो
अच्छा.
सपोर्टिंग यू बाय द वे.
पिंक इज नॉट
Pink diary.
But pink dye, चलो. I
नहीं
can
नहीं,
consider.
it's still a thing.
अरे पिंक फ्लावर भी तो है भाई.
हाँ देखो पिंक फ्लावर्स भी तो है सच में. I had thought of pillow. Perfume, see? But you
That's
know,
pink diary.
pink diary and
No,
perfume.
it is not a diary.
This is a diary, yeah. Pink diary.
Pink, so you could have got that also, the
But
card.
it is a pink diary. But chalo, I will give this one to you, okay? Perfume is a good one. I thought of pillow. कि सामने
हाँ pillow, हाँ.
हाँ. Next one would be C.
Candy.
अरे वाह.
वाह.
2-1, बट एक और देता हूँ, दोनों को 1 पॉइंट दिया पहले वाले में. क्या दे सकते हैं, सोच रहा हूँ इधर. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेटर, वेरी इजी, F.
Flower.
चलो फ्लावर, बहुत ही आसान सा मैंने दिया. एंड देखो मुझे भी हैम्पर देना ही है क्योंकि इन्होंने हमारे साथ बहुत वक्त बिताया है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग अस होम एंड ट्रीटिंग अस लाइक वन ऑफ यू एंड genuinely cooperating and shooting the whole home with us. Not many people do that, but I'm very happy that you did it because this is such a beautifully made home. It's a tastefully made home. ऐसे कैसे हम इधर से चले जाए? I have got something for you which I'm going to give you right now. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
calling us home.
Thank you.
And I have seen everything about the home, in the home. So this is a small gift hamper from Nestera and
you.
from me and my team for both
Thank
of
you.
Thank
You should ये बहुत भारी है, ये अलग बात है, but it's yours, so you guys can open and see what it is. Sorry, मैं
बस
इतना तो मैं कर लूंगा. To the one who made this happen.
Oh, wow. Oh, nice. Blue.
Yes.
Pretty.
This is a whole set of upholstery from Nestle for you.
Nice.
And since you like, I know, the box is something that I personally like too. So that's why I thought that it is
Nice,
better
nice.
that
it's
we
very
give it
nice,
to you.
beautiful.
And for your Royal Palms
For sure.
वाला तो मैंने आपको बोल ही दिया है कि if you
For
need
sure.
anything,
Done.
please, I will
For
send you the
sure.
number.
Done.
Speak to them and get it done. Thank you
Love.
so much.
Thank you.
For calling us home, for being this warm and genuinely like always smiling, making others smile. And like I started, my mother has said, please keep making more movies because
Yes.
Be Happy was a film that not only taught us and preached happiness, it was also about living life.
Yes.
And to many more movies.
Thank
you
you so
genuinely you both genuinely have a lot of goodwill. And बहुत कम लोगों को वो मिलता है इस इंडस्ट्री में, तो hoping to see you guys very soon. And
Yes.
thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.